Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the language in the Turkish Airlines application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the left. And then if you scroll down at the other section, click on the settings button. And then just click on the language button. And at the language section, click on the button. And as you can see, there are two language options to choose from. So just click on the one that you want to use and click on the save button, and your language is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.